Hi, I'm Christina with Calm Peaceful Life, and I am here to invite you to a really cool intention setting breath workshop. So, I'm going to be hosting this on February 10th, and it's pretty cool because we are going to be using our breath to help regulate our nervous system and really get to the root of setting our goals. So, what do we actually want? Why do we actually want it? And how are we going to relax ourselves and imprint this into our minds, hearts, and our bodies and allow it to come in and feel safe enough for it to come into our life? So, this is for you if you keep setting a New Year's resolution every single year, but you never seem to get it. Now, this can be happening for a multitude of reasons. Sometimes this happens because you're just setting a superficial goal. So, superficial goals are going to get superficial results. I want to look good in my pants. Great. I want you to look good in your pants too, but maybe you need to look a little bit deeper. Is there a reason, a deeper reason for you to be wanting a goal? So, if it's going to be something that feels soul led, heart led, you're going to have a lot easier time sticking to it and actually reaching it because you have a real reason and a purpose for wanting to achieve the thing. And sometimes we just don't set any goals at all because we're like, well, I never seem to reach them. So what's the point? I'm too busy, or I'm too this, or I'm too that. Well, let me just say, if you set no goals, you'll reach no goals. So I want everyone to be able to reach their dreams. It does take a little bit of effort. It does take self-care, self-love, and looking into the deeper recesses of our hearts. So that's why we're going to be using our breath during this workshop. And we're going to be looking at some of the rationale and the reasoning why setting goals and intentions is going to help to get you further. And we're going to do that in a certain way. There's a certain way to think about your goals, to set up your goals, to help them come in easier, faster, and actually be attainable. So join me on February 10th. It's a Tuesday at 6 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to be doing this free workshop because I believe we all deserve our dreams. So come and work towards them with me. Thank you so much for joining me.